Hi! In this video, I will show you how to use Purrustic Slimfix. So, first things first, you can see in here the actual Purrustic, and we have in here this. So, in this Slimfix can actually help you to make or to be ultra slim, and we have in here options to get this. So, before applying the patch, gently clean the area where you'll place it, and usually on the belly or lower back. This patch helps stick better and ensures maximum absorption. Carefully open the individual Simpix sachet and avoid touching the sticky part too much to preserve the adhesive. Place the patch on your skin directly on the target area. Press firmly for a few seconds to ensure it's securely attached. Keep the patch on for 6 to 8 hours, preferably while you're sleeping, as it's safe to wear overnight. After 6 to 8 hours, gently peel off the patch and discard it. And for best results, use daily for at least 2 weeks. So it's effective on all of these options right here as it burns fat, effective on PCOD, PCOS, and thyroid, and natural weight loss with herbs and makes you feel younger. So here are also some customers that are very satisfied with this product. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.